Hello everyone, thanks for joining the webinar. The webinar, as you can see, is on how to handle multiple data sources through our SmartSYNC platform. SmartSYNC is our flagship integration, automation and import platform developed by us, the team here at SmartTHING. For those of you that are new to SmartTHING, welcome, thanks for joining us. Just a bit about who we are, for those who haven't encountered us before. We've partnered with Blackbaud since before 2009. So during that time, our focus has been on creating affordable add-ons and integrations, basically tools designed to streamline your work and automate your daily tasks. Our priority is to make things more secure, efficient and cost-effective for not-for-profit organisations. I'm Dan Stevens. I'm the integration lead here at SmartTHING. At SmartTHING, we've dedicated over 20 years to working with not-for-profits and Blackbaud products, and we're delighted to support thousands of not-for-profit organisations globally. Through this experience, we've recognised the need for practical, transparent and affordable solutions. These solutions should seamlessly connect your systems and simplify your data management. This very need inspired the establishment of SmartTHING. Today, our focus is on handling multiple integrations. During the session, we'll address several key areas. Firstly, we'll explore the challenges of non-integrated data. For example, you might encounter limitations with disconnected systems and manual data entry. Next, we'll introduce our solution, the SmartSYNC platform. The central idea is that our platform can provide a one-stop shop for all your integration, automation, and import needs. You can connect your CRM to the apps you use every day, from Access NFP to Zapier, from JustGiving to Shopify. Why is this a good thing? Not only can you free up your time and resources and focus on what matters most, but with integrated data, you can also make better connections with your constituents, which ultimately helps your not-for-profit achieve its objectives. We'll run through some of the key features, suitability, and throw in a client story, as well as a couple of demo videos, so you can get a feel for the platform in action and see how it can make your life easier. Finally, we'll run through some top tips on how to achieve a smooth integration. And then at the end, we'll do some Q&A. So do feel free to ask any questions either during the webinar or at the end of the webinar. We'll be happy to answer those questions for you. So let's have a look at some of the data challenges. Let's start by tackling the headache of scattered data. So for non-profits, juggling data like donor details, volunteer sign-ups, online donations across different platforms can be tricky. This disconnected data creates real challenges. So disconnected systems, your systems often don't talk to each other, making it hard to get a clear overall picture of your impact. Manual data entry, this wastes time and invites human errors. You've got security risks to consider. Securing sensitive information becomes a significant concern when data is spread across multiple, potentially vulnerable platforms. Inefficiency and inaccurate data. Staff spend more time wrestling with spreadsheets than focusing on your mission, leading to inconsistent or unreliable information. And then unreliable access. Relying on independent systems means unreliable access to information, which can disrupt operations. So all of these challenges, SmartSYNC was designed to solve. It moves you from a fragmented view to a unified, efficient, and more secure way of managing your vital information, freeing you to focus on your mission. So let's have a look at how SmartSYNC can help you do just that. So you can think of SmartSYNC as the tool that lets all your essential systems talk to each other. With SmartSYNC, you can connect your central CRM that stores your constituent information to all the apps you rely on to use every day. You can build data bridges and create a much smoother flow of information. In brief, you get integration. Think better connections in real time. Imagine your donor information in your CRM automatically updating in your email marketing tool the moment a gift comes in. Then there's import, getting data into your CRM. If you've got a spreadsheet with new contacts, a file from a fundraising event. With SmartSYNC, you can import the data from pretty much any file or source. This integration is called Smart Import, is similar to systems such as Importomatic and Importacula, and supports self-service configuration and multiple import profiles. It uniquely also offers easy paste and go imports, a drag and drop web config interface, and more. Finally, automation. Let the smart tech handle the hard work. Imagine automating those repetitive tasks that eat up your time. Things like updating contact information across platforms or triggering thank you emails when a donation is recorded. So we know that not-for-profits, every investment needs to deliver real value. So let's talk about the benefits you can expect with SmartSYNC. It's not just about connecting your apps, it's about seeing tangible results. Time and resource savings. SmartSYNC frees up staff time by automating manual data entry, allowing your team to focus on mission-critical work. Improved data accuracy. Real-time data sync significantly reduces errors, leading to more informed decisions and confident reporting. Enhanced efficiency. Instant access to your accurate data streamlines workflows, enabling more personalized engagement and effective service delivery. Better donor insights. Connecting your CRM with engagement tools provides holistic views of donors, encouraging stronger relationships and sustained support. Streamlined workflows. Integrated data flows make everything smoother and more efficient across your entire organization, boosting agility and impact. In essence, SmartSYNC offers a real return on your investment, translating into time saved, accuracy improved, efficiency gained, deeper insights, and ultimately a greater capacity to achieve your mission. So, how does SmartSYNC achieve all this? It's powered by incredibly useful features designed specifically with Blackbaud and not-for-profits in mind. At SmartTHING, we're Blackbaud experts. Our team understands your CRM and the not-for-profit technology landscape, helping you to make the most of SmartSYNC. No technical expertise required from your team. Our intuitive, user-friendly platform means you don't need a dedicated IT team to get you up and running. So managed service, we handle the technical heavy lifting of setup and ongoing maintenance so you can focus on your mission. Real-time sync, your data is always up to date across all connected systems, providing timely insights for better decisions. Built-in data cleaning, we can transform raw and reliable data into valuable assets for better decisions and stronger relationships. Enterprise-grade security, built by ISO 9001 and ISO 27001. We're accredited with those ISO accreditations at SmartTHING, and we follow best practice to protect your sensitive data. Future-proof and scalable, our platform easily adapts as your organization grows and your data needs evolve, so you get seamless scalability. These features combine to make SmartSYNC a powerful and practical tool, so your not-for-profit can operate more efficiently, gain deeper insights, and ultimately maximize your impact. So you've seen SmartSYNC's powerful features, but is it right for your organization? One of the great things about SmartSYNC is its scalability, designed for not-for-profits of all sizes. Whether you're starting with under 10,000 constituents or managing over 400,000, our platform adapts as you grow. And regardless of your team's location, we've got you covered with global hosting on secure Azure servers in the UK, in the US, and Australia. You'll get a fast, dependable access to your integrated data anywhere in the world. We also understand budgets. SmartSYNC offers low-cost solutions with excellent value, starting from just $1,750 or $2,250 per year. We believe powerful integration shouldn't break the bank. You can start with one integration and add more as needed, or explore our cost-effective integration bundles. For those with more complex needs, we also offer dedicated servers for enhanced performance and faster imports, which can significantly help with IT security reviews. So whether you're a small local charity or a large international organization, SmartSYNC provides a flexible, scalable, and affordable solution. You can see on the screen now some of the clients that we've worked with around the world. So charities and higher education institutions of all shapes and sizes. So let's have a look at some integrations. SmartSYNC can link your CRM with email marketing apps, things like MailChimp, which you've probably heard of, .digital, Campaign Monitor, apps for finance like Xero, Sage, Financial Edge, Stripe and PayPal. Whether your CRM is Blackbaud CRM, Razor's Edge NXT, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics or HubSpot, we've got you covered with over 40 pre-built integrations and the ability to connect thousands more applications with SmartSYNC's generic connectors. So what does this look like in real life? Let's look at UWC, Atlantic College. Based in Wales, it's a college for international students aged 16 to 19. Around 350 students travel from over 150 countries to live, study and learn together. They joined us, our SmartSYNC client list in early 2021 with a single integration, Smart MailChimp. They joined our early access program for ISAMS, a student record system, later that year. They've since added Smart Zoom, Smart Portal, since 2022, SmartEVENTBRITE and Smart Email. So they're now testing our new Smart Enhanced LinkedIn tool and they're in the process of getting started with SmartZIMP, all in one unified platform, SmartSYNC. With over 500,000 data syncs over the last 4 years, Atlantic College have saved a huge amount of time and resources. So, looking at the practicalities of integrations to handle your multiple data sources, what does it look like to get started with SmartSYNC? First, our team of Blackbaud experts will, with your involvement, design the integrations. Next, we'll assess your hosting needs and recommend the best options for shared or dedicated hosting. Finally, we'll deploy to test, iterate with you, and then push to production. We don't stop there. We'll monitor the service to ensure it runs smoothly throughout your time with us. I mentioned earlier that we provide low-cost solutions, but what does that low cost actually look like? So if you want one integration, the annual cost starts at just 1750 United Kingdom sterling pounds per year, or US $2250 per year, with a one-time setup fee of £500, or that's $650. Add another integration, and you get another one free as part of our SmartSYNC packages, cost-saving packages. Then there's our enterprise bundle for 4 or more apps, and we offer bespoke custom packages too. So how does SmartSYNC compare? So if you have a look at this table that you can see some of the features and comparisons with some other marketplace providers. So you can see from this table, we've got SmartSYNC has a pretty unique offering, and I'll give you a second to glance through the comparison. Beyond our core SmartSYNC platform, we offer valuable resources, including freebies, self-service apps designed specifically for not-for-profits, like the previously featured Smart Social add-on. So you can see some of our free solutions on the screen and some of our other paid-for solutions as well. So let's look at some examples. SmartEVENTBRITE is a fully automated integration. We'll play a quick video demo so you can have we can have a bit of an in-depth look at, or more in-depth look at SmartEVENTBRITE. There's no setup required, it's ready to go. It automatically creates events, ticket options, payments, gifts and constituents. Duplicate checks are also built in with multi-layered constituent searches. So let's take a look at the video.
This video is a brief overview of one of our applications, powered by our SmartSYNC integration platform, SmartEVENTBRITE. SmartEVENTBRITE connects the popular event and ticketing platform Eventbrite to your Razor's Edge NXT. Eventbrite is one of the world's leading platforms for promoting events and taking bookings online. Our SmartSYNC platform can connect Eventbrite to your Blackbaud NXT database. It automatically pulls the event information, customer, ticket, and ticket options into Razor's Edge without you having to do anything. It all happens in the background automatically, whether it is a small 10-person fundraising event or a 1,000-ticket reunion. Our multi-layered duplicate protection ensures it finds your existing constituents if they are already there, or otherwise creates them on the fly. Their contact information is automatically refreshed based on the data entered in Eventbrite. Now let's see how the data appears in Razor's Edge NXT for an example event booking. We can see the booking summary here in EventBRITE. This information is passed over to NXT. The event and all its summary details, name, dates, and IDs are all passed across. We did not have to create the event, it happened automatically after the first booking. The event ID ties to EventBRITE to uniquely identify the event and ensures future bookings are added to the same event record. Each booking is recorded in the participant area of the event, including the primary attendee and all their guests. We also bring across registration fee information, creating the fee levels on the fly. You can choose whether to create an associated gift record for these, depending on how much information you wish to track and whether you need to report the income from within NXT. The gifts have an ID linking them to the EventBRITE order for easy reconciliation. The event within NXT will show you useful summaries such as the number attending and the total purchases of each ticket type. Any custom questions you may have asked as part of the booking form are also captured automatically and can be seen on each ticket and in summary form on the event. Each participant's record has a summary added to the top to detail any relevant EventBRITE information. As you can see, SmartEVENTBRITE ensures you have rich data on your event bookings available in real time within NXT, all automatically allowing you and your team to monitor and run the event efficiently. That concludes our brief overview of SmartEVENTBRITE. If you would like to book a demo or talk to us about how SmartEVENTBRITE can connect EventBRITE and bring event participant information over to Razor's Edge, do get in touch. As you can see, SmartEVENTBRITE ensures you have rich data on your event bookings available in real time within NXT, all automatically allowing you and your team to monitor and run the event efficiently. That concludes our brief overview of SmartEVENTBRITE. If you would like to book a demo or talk to us about how SmartEVENTBRITE can connect EventBRITE and bring event participant information over to Razor's Edge, do get in touch. This video is a brief overview.
So yeah, that was a brief overview of one of our integrations, SmartEVENTBRITE, as you've just seen. Next we're going to look at how SmartSYNC works with Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT. So some of the key points here, we'll have a look at logging in with your Blackbaud ID, accessing SmartSYNC via the NXT homepage, and accessing your data logs sort of directly within that native environment that you use, the Blackbaud RENXT CRM. So let's take a brief look at how that looks.
In this quick demo, we'll show how SmartSYNC integrates with your Blackbaud solution. In this case, we are looking at Razor's Edge NXT. If you go to the homepage of NXT, you'll see there's a SmartSYNC tile. This will have a link to your SmartSYNC instances. Just click the button to log in. It will use your Blackbaud login to authenticate you into the SmartSYNC system. As you can see here, SmartSYNC accessed this way sits within Razor's Edge. Your users don't have to remember another login, and you can control access easily within SmartSYNC to restrict who has access to the logs and other areas within the system. There are other points where SmartSYNC can be accessed from within NXT. The most notable is if we visit a constituent record. You can use the add-ins menu to access recent logs for this record within SmartSYNC. This will show data that has been passed through the system recently. Of course, areas on the RE record, such as notes, can provide more long-term SmartSYNC audit information, but this real-time view is a helpful tool when reviewing your synchronization settings. This has been a quick demo of the integration of SmartSYNC and Blackbaud, and it shows how seamless use of our system can be for your users. If you would like to find out more about this or our other SmartSYNC features, do book a demo.
So that's a quick look at the kind of native integration with SmartSYNC inside Razor's Edge NXT. So next we're going to take a quick look at the SmartSYNC imports, the functionality that you get there. So if you can't find for example, if you can't find a pre-built SmartSYNC integration or an app connector to meet your needs, we can work with you to build a custom connector based on the application you're using. Or you can use Smart Import. This is our user-friendly, self-service, drag-and-drop import tool that makes data transfers effortless. Quickly import Excel, CSV spreadsheets, and SharePoint files directly into your CRM. It's an incredibly straightforward and easy tool to use. So you've seen what we can do to integrate and import data, but our tools can also help you with automation. For example, say you're using SmartENTHUSE to import your donations, you can set up automatic email notifications to the linked fundraiser if the new donation is over a certain amount. Another example is address cleaning. As addresses are added to your CRM, they can automatically be cleaned by Google Places, Locate, and other services, so your address data is valid and correct at all times. Or you can generate custom reports, schedule regular reports and receive the email that links to those reports automatically. Or you can automatically update constituent records with public LinkedIn data. Here we can see our Smart Social. We've got a free Smart Social Chrome add-on where you can link the LinkedIn profile to the constituent. We can add the LinkedIn URL to the record in Razor's Edge, and all that rich public LinkedIn data can automatically be pulled into the Razor's Edge record automatically. Previous jobs, notes, hobbies, etc. It all goes automatically into Razor's Edge. The screenshot you can see on the side shows how Smart Social Chrome add-on sidebar works directly with your Razor's Edge NXT. All of this means you can free up your staff resources so you can focus on your mission. So putting all this information together, where are we? So probably wondering where to start. So the conclusion and final thoughts. Well, whether you choose a SmartSYNC integration or not, what you should think about before beginning your integration journey. So how do you integrate your data? So at SmartTHING, we've managed thousands of integrations, so we know what works well. There are lots of things to consider, things that you can do to make your integration run more smoothly. But our top tips for implementing an integration are: identify the data to synchronize. Think carefully here and only synchronize the information you need to see in both systems. Look to phase implementation. If you're integrating a large variety of data, it makes design, testing, and deployment easier for everyone. Limit the records you synchronize. Again, you don't want to synchronize information records you won't use. They just fill up your other systems and may lead to additional license costs. Manually align your systems. Before the integration goes live, you can align the data in both systems. This might be where data will be stored, matching dropdowns or making mappings between the values, making records with other system IDs to ensure one-to-one matching. This ensures the systems are ready to go live and allows you to see how the end solution will look, so you can iterate before everything is set in stone. And finally, identify the people in your organization who need to be involved. You can assign an owner to each integration. With a dedicated server, we can separate the data flows and logs to just a subset of your organization's integrations, so different teams have different access to the SmartSYNC server. And importantly, in our experience, the jobs that run most smoothly are those where you have very clear lines of ownership and communication. Keeping these ideas in mind will help your integration succeed. So a recap of features as we near the end of the webinar. Let's quickly recap. So SmartSYNC integrations are powerful, as we've seen, a powerful tool for your not-for-profit. So we're Blackbaud experts. We'll work with your team and understand not-for-profits in your CRM. No technical expertise needed. Our intuitive platform is user-friendly for everyone. We provide a managed service. We handle the technical heavy lifting, so you don't need to. SmartSYNC connects everything. We've got so many integrations. Take your pick or ask us about a custom integration. Real-time sync. Your data is always up to date across all systems. Data cleaning built in. Maintain data accurately, effortlessly. Our integrations are secure and compliant. We protect your sensitive data. Future-proof and scalability. You can start with one integration and add more as needed. And finally, our integrations are low cost. Powerful integration should not break the bank. And on that note, I'll conclude our session. We've highlighted and seen the key benefits of SmartSYNC. I hope you now understand how it can streamline your data and improve your work. You can have a look at some other webinars in this series for a more detailed look at some of our integrations. If you've got any questions, we'd love to hear them. I'll now hand back to the host so we can run through any of those questions you've asked. And as you can see on the screen, do get in touch with any of those details and we'll be happy to talk to you.